Hello everyone, welcome to Professor English Lessons. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel. Click the subscribe button and ring the bell. This helps us make more lessons for you. Thank you. Today we will learn about verb tenses. Verb tenses help us talk about time. They tell us when something happens. We will learn 3 times: past, present, and future. Are you ready? Let's start. What are verb tenses? First, what is a verb? A verb is an action word. It tells us what we do. For example, run, eat, read, write, play. Now, when do we do these actions? We do them at different times. Sometimes we did it yesterday. This is past. Sometimes we do it now, today. This is present. Sometimes we will do it tomorrow. This is future. Verb tenses show us these different times. Let's see how. Lesson 1. Run. Look at picture number 1. The verb is run. Past, the boy is tired. He ran yesterday. We say, I ran. R-A-N. Ran is past tense. Present, the boy is running now. We say, I run. This happens today. Future, the boy is tying his shoes. He will run soon. We say, I will run. This will happen tomorrow. Do you see? Ran, run, will run. 3 different times. Lesson 2. Eat. Now look at picture number 2. The verb is eat. Past, the plate is empty. The girl ate already. We say, I ate. A-T-E. Ate is past tense. Present, the girl is eating now. We say, I eat. She is eating today. Future, food is on the table, waiting. We say, I will eat. She will eat later. Remember, ate, eat, will eat. Easy, right? Lesson 3. Read. Picture number 3. The verb is read. Past, the book is closed. The child read yesterday. We say, I read. But this read sounds like read. Present, the child is reading now. We say, I read. This read sounds like read. Future, a book is waiting on the desk. We say, I will read. Be careful. Past and present look the same but sound different. Read and read. Lesson 4. Write. Picture number 4. The verb is write. Past, the notebook is finished. We say, I wrote. W-R-O-T-E. Wrote is past tense. Present, writing in the notebook now. We say, I write. Future, a clean notebook is ready. We say, I will write. Simple. Wrote, write, will write. Lesson 5. Play. Picture number 5. The verb is play. Past, toys are on the floor. We finished playing. We say, I played. Present, the child is playing now. We say, I play. Future, toys are in a box waiting. We say, I will play. Played, play, will play. Fun and easy. Lesson 6. Jump. Picture number 6. The verb is jump. Past, landing after jumping. We say, I jumped. Present, jumping in the air now. We say, I jump. Future, bending knees, ready to jump. We say, I will jump. Can you see the action? Jumped, jump, will jump. Quick review. Great job, everyone. Let's remember what we learned. For past, we often add ed to the verb, like played, jumped, walked. For present, we use the simple verb, like play, jump, walk. For future, we add will before the verb, like will play, will jump, will walk. But some verbs are special, like ran, ate, wrote. These don't follow the rule. Lesson 7. Swim. Picture number 7. The verb is swim. Past, a wet towel. The child is resting. We say, I swam. S-W-A-M. Swam is past tense. This is a special verb. Present, swimming in the pool now. We say, I swim. Future, goggles on, ready to swim. We say, I will swim. Special verb. Swam, swim, will swim. Lesson 8. Sleep. Picture number 8. The verb is sleep. Past, waking up in the morning. We say, I slept. S-L-E-P-T. Slept is past tense. Present, sleeping in bed now. We say, I sleep. Future, pajamas and bed are ready. We say, I will sleep. Another special verb. Slept, sleep, will sleep. Lesson 9. Walk. Picture number 9. The verb is walk. Past, sitting after walking. We say, I walked. Present, walking outside now. We say, I walk. Future, putting on shoes to walk. We say, I will walk. This verb is regular. Walked, walked, will walk. Lesson 10. Sing. Picture number 10. The verb is sing. Past, finished singing. We say, I sang. S-A-N-G. Sang is past tense. Special verb. Present, singing now. We say, I sing. Future, holding a microphone, ready to sing. We say, I will sing. Beautiful. Sang, sing, will sing. Lesson 11. Draw. Picture number 11. The verb is draw. Past, finished drawing. We say, I drew. D-R-E-W. Drew is past tense. Another special verb. Present, drawing now. We say, I draw. Future, blank paper ready to draw. We say, I will draw. Creative. Drew, draw, will draw. Lesson 12. Cook. Picture number 12. The verb is cook. Past, clean dishes after cooking. We say, I cooked. Present, cooking in the kitchen now. We say, I cook. Future, ingredients are ready. We say, I will cook. Regular verb. Cooked, cook, will cook. Lesson 13. Drive. Picture number 13. The verb is drive. Past, the car is parked. We say, I drove. D-R-O-V-E. Drove is past tense. Special verb. Present, driving the car now. We say, I drive. Future, holding keys, ready to drive. We say, I will drive. Careful, drove, drive, will drive. Lesson 14. Clean. Picture number 14. The verb is clean. Past, the room is clean now. We say, I cleaned. Present, cleaning the room now. We say, I clean. Future, cleaning tools are ready. We say, I will clean. Regular verb. Cleaned, clean, will clean. Lesson 15. Study. Picture number 15. The verb is study. Past, books are closed. We say, I studied. Present, studying now. We say, I study. Future, books are stacked, ready. We say, I will study. Regular verb. Studied, study, will study. Summary. Excellent work, everyone. Today we learned about 3 verb tenses. Past, things we did before, yesterday, last week. We use words like ran, ate, wrote, swam, sang. Present, things we do now, today, right now. We use words like run, eat, write, swim, sing. Future, things we will do later, tomorrow, next week. We use will plus the verb, like will run, will eat, will write. Some verbs are regular. We add ed for past, like played, jumped, cooked. Some verbs are special. They change completely, like ran becomes ate, eat becomes ate, swim becomes swam. Closing. Remember, practice makes perfect. Use these verbs every day. Talk about what you did, what you do, and what you will do. Thank you for learning with Professor English Lessons today. Keep practicing and see you next time. Goodbye!